Hello, good evening. Welcome back to our channel. So let's continue our class. Now see the first problem. Raju and Ramu won a lottery and agreed to share in the ratio of 3:4. If Ramu received 780 rupees and then the share of the total amount they won. Now see Ramu and Ramesh, both they have shared the amount. Ramu already received 780 rupees. If the Ramu share ratio is 4, see, if you divide 4 with 780, we are getting the answer 195. So Raju ratio is 3. If you are multiplying 195 into 3, we are getting 585. If you are adding both the numbers, 0 plus 5, 7 plus 5, 8 plus 8, 16 plus 1 carry, 7 5 is 35. So finally we are going to get the answer 1365. Now see question number 92. If the cost of price of 10 articles, 10 article cost price is equal to sell articles, then the gain. Now see, very simple this problem is. What is given? Cost price of 10 articles is equal to selling price into 8 articles. So if you take cost price this side and 8 this side, sorry, if you take selling price by cost price, we are writing 10 by 8. So 2 table, 2 4s are 2 5s are. Now selling price by cost price is equals to 5 by 4. If you want to find out the profit, how we are going to find the profit? Profit is equals to selling price minus cost price. What is selling price? 5. 5 minus 4 by 1. So now we are going to find out profit percentage. What is profit percentage? Profit by cost price into 100. Profit is how much? 1 rupee if you think. Then cost price is 4 into 100. 4 ones are 425. So what is the profit percentage is 25%. So the answer is 25%. Second one is the correct answer. The answer is 25%. Now I am going to read in Telugu also the question. 10 వస్తువుల ఖరీదు వేల 8 వస్తువుల అమ్మకపు వేలకు సమాధానం అయితే లాభాలు లేదా నష్టము శాతం. సో లాభం అయితే మనకు 25% వస్తుంది. ఎందుకంటే 10% వస్తువుల ఖరీదు, కాస్ట్ ప్రైస్ 10, వేల వస్తువుల అమ్మకం means selling price into 8, cost price into 10. So here we got the answer, selling price by cost price 5 by 4. Profit we are know already formula, profit equals to selling price minus cost price. Profit percentage equals to profit by cost price into 100. So we are getting the answer 100. Now see question number 93. The ratios of the perimeter of the two squares. Ratio of perimeter of a square formula is 4 into side, 4 into a. Then the ratio of the area of two squares. The ratio of perimeter of two squares are in the ratio of 1:2. Then the perimeter becomes how much? The perimeter also will be the same. There will be no change in the perimeter, I think. Why? Because we already know the perimeter of a square formula. What is the perimeter of a square formula? Now I am going to write here. Perimeter of a square. Perimeter of a square. Perimeter of a square formula ఏమంది? 4 into side. A is nothing but side. So quadrilateral 4 sides, 1 2 3 4. All the 4 sides are equal. Now what you are getting the ratio? మనకు రేషియో ఏం వస్తుందని అడుగుతుంది ఇక్కడ. దెన్ ద ఏరియాస్, ఏరియా రేషియో ఎంత వస్తుందో అని అడుగుతుంది. ఏరియా అంటే ఏంది? ఏ స్క్వేర్. మనకు రేషియో ఏమొస్తుందో ఆల్రెడీ ఏ స్క్వేర్. సైడ్ అంటే 4 into a. రేషియో 4a is to 8a. A will be get cancelled, 1 is to 2 వస్తుంది పెరిమీటర్. స్క్వేర్ అంటే ఏ స్క్వేర్. ఏ స్క్వేర్ అంటే ఫస్ట్ స్క్వేర్ ఏముంది, వాట్ ఇస్ ద ఫస్ట్, ఇఫ్ యూ ఆర్ టేకింగ్ యాజ్ ఫస్ట్ square as a1, second square as a2. What you are getting? First square we are getting the answer 1, second perimeter we are getting 2. So areas, so each side is 1 1 1. We are writing a square means 1 by 2 whole square. So we are getting the answer 1 by 4. That is 1 is to 4 is the answer. The ratio 1 is to 4 is the final answer. Now see question number 94. This is a very important problem and very easy problem also. What is the given question number 94? See, the angles of a triangle. Angles of a triangle means triangle we are having three sides. Three angles are equal, 60 degrees, 60 degrees and 60 degrees, which forms a equilateral triangle. Now here angles are given, then the smallest angle of the triangle 2x degrees is how much he is asking. This question we are having from the 7th standard onwards, 6th and 7th standard. 6th and 7th standard of SCRT as well as CBSE, NCRT also, same syllabus we are getting. NCRT also we are getting the same formula. Why? Because the angles of a triangle formula. I am going to do right over here. And I can see the problem. Now what is given? What is angles of a triangle? Sum of all angles of a triangle. Angles of a triangle is equals to 180 degrees. Here three angles are given. If you draw the triangle, one is 2x degrees, another one is 3x plus 5 degrees, another one is 4x minus 14 degrees. Sum of three angles we are writing, 2x degrees plus 3x plus 5 degrees plus 4x minus 14 degrees is equals to 180 degrees. If you are going to add all the three, 2x plus 3x will become 5x, 5x plus 4x will become 9x degrees. So this one is minus 5 degrees. Why? Because 10 minus 5 is 5. This becomes 180 degrees. Minus 5 take to right hand side. 9x degrees is equals to 180 degrees plus 5 degrees. Yes, 9x is equals to 185 degrees. So x value is equals to how much you are going to get? 185 degrees by 9. Sorry, I wrote wrong, I think. Yes, this is 14 degrees. 14 minus 5 is 9 degrees. So this becomes 9. The total will be 189 degrees. 9 ones are 9. 9 2s are 18, 9 1s are 9. So x value is how many degrees? 21 degrees. We got the answer called as 21 degrees. Sorry, I wrote wrong here number. So we need to write 14 degrees. 14 degrees. 14 minus 5 is 9 degrees. Minus you are going to take right hand side, become plus. Now x value becomes 21 degrees. Now question number 95, which is very very simple. The angle which is 36 degrees more than its complementary is. More than is complementary is. Complementary means we know very well, sum of two angles equals to, sum of two angles is equals to 90 degrees. So what is given in the question? The angle which is 36 degrees more than its complementary. Complementary is nothing but what is the complementary angle? 90 degrees. So more than complementary means, see, if you are taking the angle as theta, for example, if the angle we are taking theta, so complementary means 90 degrees minus theta. 90 minus theta degrees plus 30 degrees. Why? Because the angle which is 36 degrees more than complement. 36 degrees more means we are going to write the plus symbol. Now what we are getting the answer? Now see, finally theta. Now see, minus theta we are taking to right hand side, becomes theta plus theta is equal to 90 degrees plus 36 degrees. 2 theta equals to 126 degrees. So 2 1s are 2 6 are 2 3s are. So theta we are getting 63 degrees. So finally we are getting the answer 63 degrees. Now see, question number 96. Which measurements of two diagonals are given? Then the quadrilateral can be constructed. Two diagonals are given. So when two diagonals are given, what we are going to construct for that one? That one we have to find out the answer. Now see the question. If anyone knows the answer, please type the answer in the comment box. Those who know answer, please type the answer in the comment box. Yes, if you know the answer, please type the answer in the comment box. When measurements of two diagonals are given, then the quadrilateral can be constructed. Only two diagonals are given. Two diagonals are given. When you are going to identify about the properties of the quadrilateral, see when the two diagonals measurements, these are the two diagonal measurements which are equal and perpendicular to each other. So that when you are getting the diagonals are equal length and equal sides we are getting only for the rhombus. Because the quadrilateral can be constructed as the diagonals, because divide the diagonals we are getting the bisectors. When you divide the angle, the line which is divided into two equal parts, that is called as angle bisectors. So we are getting the angle answer called as rhombus. రెండు కర్ణాల కొలతలు ఇచ్చినప్పుడు నిర్మించగల చతుర్భుజం ఏదంటే రోంబస్. రోంబస్ మాత్రమే దాన్ని తయారు చేయగలుగుతాం. ఇప్పుడు చూడండి క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ 97. Now see question number 97. What is the question number 97 is? Yes. Now see the next question. Sorry for the interruption. Yes, let's go back to our class. Sorry for the disturbance. Now come back to the class. The adjacent angles of a parallelogram are x degrees and 2x plus 30 degrees. Then the greatest angles of the parallelogram are. Now you can see this is the parallelogram. So these are called as adjacent sides. The adjacent angles, these are called as adjacent angles. The sum of the two adjacent angles equals to 180 degrees. So sum of two adjacent angles, so sum of two adjacent angles is equals to 180 degrees. Here is given as x degrees as well as plus 2x plus 30 degrees is equals to 180 degrees. Why? Because one angle is 2x degrees, another angle is one angle is x degrees, another angle 2x plus 30 degrees. Sum of two adjacent angles in a parallelogram is equals to 180 degrees. Now x degrees plus 2x degrees will become 3x degrees plus 30 degrees equals to 180 degrees. Take 30 degrees to the right hand side. 3x degrees equals to 180 degrees minus 30 degrees. So 3x degrees is equals to 150 degrees. So 3 ones are 350 degrees. So x value we are getting 50 degrees. Here is asking the greatest angle. 2x plus 30 degrees. 2 into 50 degrees plus 30 degrees. 2 into 50 degrees will become how much? 100 degrees. 100 degrees plus 30 degrees we are getting 130 degrees. That is the final answer. Now see question number 90. So here we are getting the answer called as 130 degrees. choose a shape having unlimited number of lines of symmetry. Which shape is having unlimited number of lines? So easily we can find out the answer. That is called as, the answer is circle. We can write. So I got a comment by TC Mass Power Tech. Yes, today only I have seen in the newspaper that those who are from 2010 onwards, those who are in government jobs already as working as a school assistant teacher or school teachers, SGT or school assistant, they need to write compulsory the TET exam for every 2 years. The government, the quotas order that 2 years, 2 years they have to, at least before 2 years they need to write the TET exam, or which is coming for every 2 years they have to write the TET exam compulsory for the promotion purpose. So it became mandatory, yes, compulsory. So this is TC Mass Power Tech. Sir, already school assistant ఉన్న వాళ్ళు టెట్ ఎగ్జామ్ రాయాలంట 1A or 2A. Second paper, those who are having those who got promotion, they need to write both papers, second paper compulsory. Those who want to get the promotion, they need to write the first paper. Those who are already as working as the school assistant, they need to write compulsory for the promotion purpose. It is mandatory from 2010 onwards. Now I'm writing over here, see, 2010 తర్వాత ఎవరైతే స్కూల్ అసిస్టెంట్ కానీ ఎస్జిటి జాబ్ చేస్తున్నారో వాళ్ళు కంపల్సరీ టెట్ క్వాలిఫై కావాల్సిందే. టెట్ ఎగ్జామ్ దే హ్యావ్ టు రైట్. ఎవరైతే స్కూల్ అసిస్టెంట్ ఎస్జిటి ఎవరైతే ఉన్నారో ఇప్పుడు కనీసం 2 yearsకి ఒక్కసారి ప్రీవియస్ 2 yearsలో ఎవరైతే రాశారో ఆల్రెడీ, దోస్ హు ఆర్ రిటర్న్ ఆల్రెడీ, they can get the promotion. Those who have not written, they have to write compulsory. This in November we are going to get the TET exam compulsory. So just we are having 2 months of time, 2 months, I think 1.5 month only. Those who want to get score good marks, please do subscribe to our channel and share to your friends also. So I'm going to bring live section every night this time only maximum. నా దగ్గర చాలా పేపర్స్ ఉన్నాయి. టెట్ ఎగ్జామ్ నియర్లీ 7 to 8 పేపర్స్ ఉన్నాయి. ఐ విల్ కవర్ ఆల్ ద క్వశ్చన్ పేపర్స్ విచ్ విల్ బీ యూస్ఫుల్ ఫర్ గెటింగ్ గుడ్ స్కోర్. సో ఇప్పుడు ఒక్కసారి ఇక్కడ చూడండి, ఐఎమ్ నాట్ రన్నింగ్ అవుట్ ఆఫ్ ద టాపిక్. దిస్ ఈస్ సమ్వన్ ఈజ్ ఆస్కింగ్. సో టీసీ పవర్, సో 2010 తర్వాత ఎవరైతే స్కూల్ అసిస్టెంట్ ఎస్జిటి జాయిన్ అయ్యారో ఎవరైతే కంపల్సరీ టెట్ ఎగ్జామ్ క్వాలిఫై కావాల్సిందే. దేనికోసం అంటే ప్రమోషన్ కోసం. ప్రీవియస్ 2 years కూటంగా ఎవరు కూటంగా రాయని వాళ్ళు ఉన్నారో వాళ్ళు కంపల్సరీ రాయాల్సిందే. దీనికోసం నేను ఒక స్పెషల్ వీడియో చేస్తాను, వీడియో కంపల్సరీ చేస్తాను నేను. దీనికి కంప్లీట్ డీటెయిల్ తీసుకొని డీటెయిల్ వీడియో ఐ విల్ పోస్ట్ బై టుమారో ఆర్ డే ఆఫ్టర్ టుమారో. వితిన్ 2 days ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ టు పోస్ట్ దిస్ వన్. సో నో నీడ్ టు వరీ అబౌట్ దట్. టెట్ అయితే కంపల్సరీ రాయాల్సిందే సార్. టీసీ మ్యాథ్స్ పవర్ టెక్ కంపల్సరీ రాయాల్సిందే సార్ టెట్ ఎగ్జామ్. ఎవరైతే స్కూల్ అసిస్టెంట్ కానీ ఎస్జిటి కానీ చేస్తారో ఫర్దర్ ప్రమోషన్ కోసం. ఎవరైతే క్వాలిఫై కారో వాళ్ళు ప్రజెంట్గా ఉన్న జాబ్లోనే కంటిన్యూ అవుతారు కంపల్సరీ. ఎస్ఐ హిందీ సార్, ఇంగ్లీష్లో మార్క్స్ పోతున్నాయి. స్కూల్ అసిస్టెంట్ హిందీలో మార్క్స్ పోతున్నాయి. ఎస్. సో ఇంకో మెసేజ్ వచ్చిందండి సాయిక్ష నుంచి. ఇంగ్లీష్ మార్క్స్ పోతున్నాయి అంటే మనం బేసిక్ ఇంగ్లీష్ మీద కాన్సన్ట్రేషన్ చేస్తున్నాం. యాక్చువల్లీ బేసిక్ ఇంగ్లీష్ అంటే చాలామంది ఏమనుకుంటారు, ఏవైతే పెద్ద పెద్ద నోట్బుక్స్. జస్ట్ వీ నీడ్ టు అండర్స్టాండ్ బై రీడింగ్ ద పేపర్. బెటర్ టు గో ఫర్ ద న్యూస్ పేపర్. రీడింగ్ న్యూస్ పేపర్ ఫస్ట్ హెడ్లైన్స్తో స్టార్ట్ చేయండి చదవడం, ఈజీ అయిపోతుంది. స్మాల్ హెడ్లైన్స్, దాని తర్వాత చిన్న చిన్న సెంటెన్సెస్. కామిక్స్ బుక్స్ అంటాం కదా, కామిక్ బుక్స్ ఉంటాయి కదా, కామిక్ బుక్స్ కానీ ఏమైనా చిన్న చిన్న. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఇంత టఫ్ అనిపించినప్పుడు దెర్ ఈజ్ వన్ మోర్ ఆప్షన్ ఈజ్ దేర్. వీ క్యాన్ గో ఫర్ ద ప్రైమరీ టెక్స్ట్ బుక్స్. that is very useful for our knowledge purpose. Primary textbooks రిఫర్ చేస్తే బెటర్. వై? బికాస్ ప్రైమరీ టెక్స్ట్ బుక్లో మ్యాక్సిమం స్టోరీసే ఉంటాయి. స్టోరీస్ ఉంటాయి, మనకు ఈజీగా సెంటెన్స్ ఫార్మేషన్ అనేది అర్థమైపోతుంది. డైలీ అట్లీస్ట్ 1 లెసన్ చదవడానికి ప్రయత్నం చేయండి. నేను ఇంతకుముందు కూడా చేయాలి. దిస్ ఈజ్ నాట్ ఎట్ ఆల్ ప్రమోషన్, దిస్ ఈజ్ నాట్ ఎట్ ఆల్ ఏ ప్రమోషన్. సో యూ కెన్ గో ఫర్ దిస్ బుక్. ఇంగ్లీష్ సబ్జెక్ట్ కోసం ఈ బుక్ను రిఫర్ చేస్తే చాలా మంచిది. సాయిక్ష టెట్లో ఎస్, ఈ బుక్ పనికి వస్తుందమ్మా కంపల్సరీ. యూ కెన్ గో ఫర్ ద ఆబ్జెక్టివ్ ఇంగ్లీష్. దిస్ ఇస్ కాల్డ్ మెగ్రాహిల్ ఎడ్యుకేషన్ బుక్. ఇది సరిపోతుంది. లేకపోతే మన లోకల్ జనరల్ ఇంగ్లీష్ నోట్ బుక్స్, ఇంగ్లీష్ టెక్స్ట్ బుక్స్, యూ కెన్ గో ఫర్ అవర్ టెక్స్ట్ బుక్స్. ఇంగ్లీష్ టెక్స్ట్ బుక్స్ మనదే కాకుండా కొన్ని ఛానల్స్ కూడా ఉన్నాయి, ఆల్రెడీ ఇంగ్లీష్ నేర్పుతున్నారు. మీరు కావాలంటే వారు కూడా సరిగ్గా చెప్పండి సార్. సరిగ్గా ఎట్లా చెప్పాలి? హిందీ అయితే నాకైతే అంతగా తెలియదు. ఇంగ్లీష్ మాత్రం ఖచ్చితంగా యూ హ్యావ్ టు గో ఫర్ ద ప్రైమరీ టెక్స్ట్ బుక్స్. ఓకే, ఆ నోట్బుక్ చూపించాను కదా, మెగ్రాహిల్ ఎడ్యుకేషన్. వన్స్ అగైన్ చూపిస్తాను చూడండి, ఇది మీకు బాగా యూస్ఫుల్ అవుతుంది. ఈ బుక్ తీసుకోండి, ఇప్పటి కాదు ఎప్పటికైనా ఇంగ్లీష్ కోసం ఖచ్చితంగా పనికి వస్తుంది. ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్. అర్థమైంది అంటున్నారు. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ వీల్ కంటిన్యూ అవర్ క్లాస్. సో నా దగ్గర ఉన్న మ్యాక్సిమం 7-8 క్వశ్చన్ పేపర్స్ ఏవైతున్నాయో అవి మొత్తం కవర్ చేయడానికి ట్రై చేస్తాను. మ్యాక్సిమం నాట్ ఓన్లీ మ్యాథ్స్, ఐ విల్ షో ఆల్ ద క్వశ్చన్ పేపర్స్. వన్స్ యూ గో త్రూ, మీకు లాస్ట్ మూమెంట్లో ఈజీగా అర్థం అవ్వడానికి యూస్ఫుల్ అవుతాయి కంపల్సరీ 100%. ఇవి కాకుండా బయాలజీ సైన్స్ నోట్స్ ఉన్నాయి కొన్ని, ఆ నోట్స్ కూడా నేను అప్లోడ్ చేస్తాను వీడియోస్లాగా. కాకపోతే కొద్దిగా టైం పడుతుంది. టుడే, టుమారో, డే ఆఫ్టర్ టుమారో మ్యాక్సిమం నైట్ 9కి వచ్చేటట్టు చూస్తాను, లైవ్ వచ్చేటట్టు చూస్తాను. సో విల్ కమ్ బ్యాక్ టు అవర్ క్లాస్. సో మీకు అర్థం కాకపోతే నేను ఆల్రెడీ క్వశ్చన్స్ చదువుతున్నాను. ఓకే, చదివి మరి చూపిస్తాను. చూస్ విచ్ ఆఫ్ ద షేప్, చూస్ ఎస్, చూస్ ద షేప్ అన్లిమిటెడ్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ లైన్స్. అన్లిమిటెడ్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ లైన్స్ వచ్చేది మనకు సర్కిల్లో మాత్రమే. ఎందుకంటే ఇక్కడ చూడండి, ఐసోస్లెస్ ట్రయాంగిల్. ఒకవేళ మనం ఐసోస్లెస్ ట్రయాంగిల్ డ్రా చేస్తే ఆల్ ద 3 sides విల్ బి ఐసోస్లెస్ ట్రయాంగిల్. 2 sides ఆర్ ఈక్వల్. ఇట్లా 2 sides ఈక్వల్ ఉన్న కూడా మనం లైన్ లైక్ దిస్, లైక్ దిస్ అండ్ లైక్ దిస్ 3 మాత్రమే జాగ్రత్త. ఫర్ రెక్టాంగిల్ లైక్ దిస్ 2 shapes, ఇట్లా టోటల్ 4 చేయొచ్చు. స్క్వేర్కి అయినా 2 shapes. సర్కిల్కి మాత్రమే ఇన్ఫినైట్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ లైన్స్ సిమెట్రీ వస్తుంది. For only for the squares we are getting infinite number of symmetries. Now we go for the question 99. Now see question number 99. Mean of 10 observation is 38. If one observation is 56 is extended, then the new excluded, then the new observation is అని అడుగుతున్నాడు. మీన్ ఆఫ్ 10 అబ్జర్వేషన్స్ ఎంత ఇచ్చాడు? సో 10 రాశుల సగటు 38. వానిలో ఒక రాశి 56ని తొలగించేట్లయితే కొత్త సగటు ఎంత? ఈజ్ ఆస్కింగ్ దట్ ఇఫ్ యూ ఆర్ రిమూవింగ్ 10 అబ్జర్వేషన్స్, మీన్ ఆఫ్ 10 అబ్జర్వేషన్స్ ఈజ్ 38. mean of 10 observations. 10 observations value is given as 30. If 56 is removed, what is the final answer is asking. ఫైనల్గా మనకు ఎంత వస్తుందని అడుగుతున్నాడు. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ మనకు తెలిసిన ప్రకారంగా ఫస్ట్ విల్ రైట్ ద ఫార్ములా. వాట్ ఈస్ దట్? మీన్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు సమ్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ అబ్జర్వేషన్స్ బై observations, sum of all observations by total number of observations, total number of observations. Actually mean value అంటే mean value ఆల్రెడీ ఇచ్చిండు మనకి ఎంత 38 ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు సమ్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ అబ్జర్వేషన్స్ మనకు తెలియదు. మీన్ ఎంత ఇచ్చిండు? 10 అబ్జర్వేషన్స్ ఇచ్చిండు. సో క్రాస్ మల్టిప్లికేషన్ చేసాం అనుకోండి, సమ్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 38 into 2. ఇఫ్ యూ డూ క్రాస్ మల్టిప్లికేషన్ 380. అండ్ వాట్ ఈస్ గివెన్? ఇఫ్ 26 is excluded is nothing but subtraction. You have to do the subtraction. 380 minus 56, we are going to get a 324. 320. We have removed one observation. So 10 observation లోకి ఒక అబ్జర్వేషన్ తీసేస్తే మిగిలింది ఎంత? 9 observations. So 324 divided by 9. 9 3s are 27, 5 remains, 9 6s are 54. 56 ఎందుకు తీసామంటే వన్ అబ్జర్వేషన్ ఈజ్ ఎక్స్క్లూడెడ్. ఒక అబ్జర్వేషన్ తీసేయమన్నాడు. సో టోటల్ మనకి వచ్చింది 380. 10 అబ్జర్వేషన్స్కి ఒక అబ్జర్వేషన్ తీసేస్తే 9. 380లకి ఆల్రెడీ 56 తీసేయమన్నాడు. మనకు రిమైనింగ్ ఆన్సర్ 5. 9 డివైడెడ్ 324 చేస్తే మనకు ఆన్సర్ ఫైనల్గా వచ్చింది 36. సో 36 ఇస్ ద కరెక్ట్ ఆన్సర్. నౌ సి క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ 100. విచ్ of the following is incorrect అని అడిగిన క్వశ్చన్. సో విచ్ ఆఫ్ ద ఫాలోయింగ్ ఈజ్ ఇన్కరెక్ట్? మీడియన్ రిప్రజెంట్ ద మీడ్ వాల్యూ ఆఫ్ ద డిస్ట్రిబ్యూషన్ అరేంజ్డ్ ఇన్ ఐదర్ అసెండింగ్ ఆర్డర్, డిసెండింగ్ ఆర్డర్ ఈజ్ 2. మీడియన్ ఈజ్ ఎఫెక్టెడ్ బై ద ఎక్స్ట్రీమ్ వాల్యూస్. సో ఈ నాలుగిట్లో ఏది తప్పు? మీడియన్ ఈజ్ ఎఫెక్టెడ్ బై ద ఎక్స్ట్రీమ్ వాల్యూస్. సో మీడియన్ ఈజ్ నాట్ ఎట్ ఆల్ ఎఫెక్టెడ్ బై ద any of the values. Median are arranged in ascending and descending order. Next, there may be more than one mode for the given data. Yes, there may be one mode in the given data. That is also mode is the most frequent observation of the given data. Mode is the most frequent observation of the given data. That is also correct. The answer is median is affected by extreme values. Why? Because median is not significantly affected extreme, but unlike the mean which is sensitive to outer lines. So sometimes the median may be affected by the extreme values. Now you will go for the question number. So 100 అయిపోయాయి already. Now we will go for the another paper. I think these are the problems which I already discussed. No, that is not done. Okay. So back నుంచి వచ్చేద్దాం. That is pedagogy last చూసుకుందాం. ఏవైతే ఈజీ అయిపోతే ఆ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ విల్ సీ ద very low problems. As previously I discussed, you can go and check some of the previous also. 4.7 bar is for one digit. Let if you expand this one, x is equal to 4.7777. This one we have to convert 4.7 bar, we have to convert in the form of p by q form. Bar is for only one digit. That we are multiplying with 10. 10 into x is equal to digit. After one digit, the decimal number is going to jump. This become 47.7777 up to so on. So the value become 10x is equal to 47.777 up to so on. This is equation number 2. This is equation number 1. So from equation 2 and 1, if you subtract 10x is equal to 47.777 up to so on, and another value x is equal to 4.777. So if you subtract these two, 9x value become 43.000. So x value will become 43 by 9. So finally the answer x value is 43 by 9. Now see question number 112. I will discuss 113 also. Before going to that, we are going to see 112 question. So ప్రధాన సంఖ్యలు 1 నుంచి 100 మధ్యలో ప్రధాన సంఖ్యలు ఎన్ని ఉంటాయి? ఆఫ్ కోర్స్ వి నో వెరీ వెల్ దట్ 25 ఉంటాయి. So how many prime numbers are there between 1 to 100 is Prime numbers are 25. Already I discussed prime numbers will be 25 and twin primes will be 8. Twin primes will be 8. So if you want, you can write all the prime numbers. So I'm going to write here 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 43, 47, 53, 59, 61, 67, 71, 73, 79, 83, 89, 97. So if you want, we can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So how many twin primes? Which are called as twin primes? 3, 5, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 29, 31, 41, 43, 71, 79. 59, 61. These are called as twin primes. Even twin primes. Now see. Now this is a question we got from real numbers. And still, which are easy problems? Let me solve that easy problems so that I can able to solve the bigger problems. Yes, this one. It's chala easy method. I'm going to solve first this question. 108 question. Remaining problems also I am going to solve. 25x square plus 9y square minus 30xy. This one it is in the form of ax square plus a plus b into x plus x plus a into x plus b రూపంలో మనం కన్వర్ట్ చేయాలి. x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. Like this, two factors, we have to find out the two factors. Now see, write down in the proper order. 25x square minus 30xy plus 9y square. Very simple. We have to multiply first time and last time. 25 nines are, we are getting 225. That's fine. 225 we got the answer. Multiplication we have to get the 225. Addition we have to get 30. Very simple. 225 we are getting 15 15s. 15 15s are 225. 15 plus 15 we are getting answer 30. Multiplication we have to get answer 15. Multiplication we have to get the answer 225. Why? Because 25 nines are 225. Multiplication we have to get the answer 225. Addition we have to make equal for 30. Now how am I going to make it? Now see, 25x square minus 15xy minus 15xy plus 9y square. From both the terms we can take 5x common. Why? Because 5 how many times will get 50 25? 5 5 is 25. X we are already taking out of 1 of x is remain. 5 how many times we are getting? 5 3 is 15. X we took already outside. The same write down here. 5x minus 3y. 3 table. If you are taking minus 3 common, 3 5 is 15. X into y, xy. Minus into minus plus 3 3 is 9y square. So 5x minus 3y into 5x minus 3y. Both are in the form of a minus b into a minus b. Not a plus b into a minus b. That is a minus b into a minus b. Become a minus b whole square. That is 5x minus 3y whole square. That is the answer. Here we are already having 5x minus 3y whole square. Now see the next question. If x plus 1 by x value is 3, then the value of x power of 4 plus 1 by x power of 4. X plus 1 by x value is 3. We have to find out x power of 4 plus 1 by x power of 4. Very simple. First we are going to do apply a plus b whole square. 1 by 1 plus x whole square value is equals to 3 whole square. What you are getting? X square plus 1 by x square plus 2 into x into 1 by x is equal to 9. 2 x will be get cancelled. X square plus 1 by x square plus 2 is equal to 9. Plus 2 take to right hand side. X square plus 1 by x square value becomes 9 minus 2. We are getting the answer 7. Now he is asking x power of, for this one also again doing square. X square plus 1 by x square whole power of whole square is equal to 7 square. Same, a plus b whole square. What is the formula? A square plus b square plus 2 into, this is a value, this is b value. X square plus 1 by x square is equal to 49. X square into this is will be get cancelled. Power become x power of 4 plus 1 by x power of 4 plus 2 is equal to 49. Plus 2 take right hand side. 49 minus 2 we are going to get the answer 47. So the answer is 47. Third one is the correct answer. Now I am doing question number 109. First we will finish this. If 5,600 amount to 7,650 in 4 years, then the rate of interest per annum is how much? $5,600 అసలు 4 సంవత్సరాల తర్వాత 7,560 మొత్తంగా మారితే సంవత్సరానికి వచ్చిన వడ్డీ ఎంత అని అడుగుతుంది. ఇఫ్ యూ నో ద ఆన్సర్ ప్లీజ్ టైప్ ద ఆన్సర్ ఇన్ ద కమెంట్ బాక్స్. So this one we are having, see, this is the final amount, this is the principal amount. So first we have to find out the simple interest. Simple interest is total amount by principal amount. 7,560 minus 5,600. We are going to get the answer 1960. Simple interest we got how much? Yes, this much. We know already principal amount, simple interest we know PTR by 100. Now I am going to solve here. So what is simple interest? 1960 is equal to principal amount is how much? 5,600. Time is 4 years into rate of interest we have to find out by 100. See, 2 zeros will be get cancelled. Both numbers, rate of interest equals to 1960 by 56 into 4. 4 1s are 4 4s are 16, 3 carry, 4 9s are 36, 4 9s are 36, 0. Again 40, 2 28, 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10. So is any possibilities? 7 table. 7 4s are 28, 7 3s are 21, 7 5s are 35. 35 by 4 can be written as 83 by 4 percentage. Now you can see the answer. Question number 4 is the correct answer. 83 by 4 is the final answer. Now we are going to see the next problem. Question number 110. Now see what is the question number 110. In a test, 25 questions are given. 4 marks are given for every correct answer and minus 2 are given for it. Lakshmi attempted all questions. She scored 76 marks. Questions she has attempted the correct answer. In a question, now see the question clearly. In a test, 25 questions, 4 questions will be given for every wrong answer. So how many correct questions are attempted by the Lakshmi? If you know the answer, please. Yes, 47. Yeah, that one is the correct answer. Already I did the problem. Now if you know the question number 110 answer, please type the answer in the comment box. Yes, anyone, if you know the answer, question number 110, you can type the answer in the comment box. So please type the answer. If you know the answer correctly, please type it fastly. So I am going to make the video about which I have discussed now. So definitely I am going to do the video about the qualification of the TET exam for school assistant and SGT within 1 or 2 days. I am going to upload the video with full clarification. I'll upload the video. No need to worry about it. Yes. Anyone knows the answer? Please type the answer in the comment box. Total number of questions attempted or correct questions are how many? 25. How many questions are incorrect? Total number of questions. Yes. First, we know the total count. We know the total count how many? 25 questions. Incorrect questions we know, we don't know. From the total questions only we have to remove the incorrect question. For every correct answer we are giving how many marks? 4 marks. For incorrect we are deducting 2 marks. 2 marks will be removed for the, yes. So the equation can be written as, for each correct answer we are giving 4 marks, and for incorrect, how many incorrect questions are there? 25 minus x, which is equal to total she got how much? 20. Why we are writing this one? 4x minus means, see carefully, for each correct answer we are giving 4 marks. For incorrect questions we are giving 2 marks. Why we wrote 25 minus? Total questions are 21. 25 are total questions. How many attempted incorrect? We don't know the exact answer. Now 4x minus 25 to the 50, minus into minus, plus 2 into x, 2x is equal to 76. 4 plus 2x is 6x minus 50 is equal to 76. Minus 50 take to right hand side. 6x value becomes 76 plus 50. 6x value become 126. X value will become 21. How? Because 6 1 is 6, 6 twice and 6 1. So finally we are going to get the answer. How much? We got the answer. Question number. So the answer is 21. Yes. We are having here one more question. We left question number 113. 1/10 of a tower is colored with green, 120 with white, 130 with 130 colored with the rest. The rest of the colored, if the length of the portion is 14 meters 70 centimeter, then the length of the tower is. We have to find out the what is the length of the tower. For example, if we convert this one into centimeters, 14 meters 470 centimeters, 470 centimeters if I am converting. So if I take the LCM of this one, 10, 20 and 30, what you are getting the answer? 10 into 2 into 33, 10 to the 20, 23 is 60. 6. So 1470 divided by, if you do 60, 6. So how much you are going to get the answer? So we don't know how much you are going to get the answer. So if anyone knows the answer, please type the answer in the comment box. Now so question number 113. What is question number 113 given in the question? 1/10 of the portion is covered with green color, 120 is covered with 120 is covered with white, 130 is covered with red. Remaining 14, the wall is totally and the rest is colored with blue. So very simple. Now see, if this is the all portions, this is a tower covered with green, white and red, rest is blue. So fraction of the blue becomes how much? From the blue we have to remove all the 3. Why? Because 1 minus 1 by 10 plus 1 by 20 plus 1 by 30. So if you are going to 1 minus, what you are going to get? 10 3 times, 3 plus 20 3 times, 10 60 means 6 plus 3 plus 2 by 60. 6 plus 3, 9, 9 plus 2, 11 we got the answer because 10, 60, yes. So if you do 1 minus 11 by 60, cross multiplication, 60 minus 11 by 60, so we are going to get the answer 49 by 60. We got the answer 49 by 60. So 1 meter is equal to how many centimeters? 100 centimeters. If you are going to convert that one in the form of what is the length which is got, we got, yes. So finally what you're going to do, if you convert it to centimeters, meters, 14.7 meters into, write down reciprocal by 49. 7 tables, 7 7 is 49, 7 2 is 14, 7 1 is 7, 21.60. So 21 by 10 into 60 by 7. 0 0 will be get cancelled, 2 1 is 2 3 is. So what you are going to get the answer 18. So 18 is the final correct answer. I think we have covered this page also, and these are the few questions which are remain. So easy problem we will do first. 104 question. See, base of a isosceles triangle. Now very simple. In the isosceles triangle, opposite sides are equal. I am taking x-axis. This one is the 12 we are taking. Perimeter. What is perimeter of a triangle? Perimeter equals sum of all sides. X plus 12 is equal to 32. 2x plus 12 is equal to 32. Take right hand side, become 2x is equals to 32 minus 12. We are going to get the answer 2x value. X value we are going to get the answer 10. So what it is? Area. So area of a triangle is half into base into height. So half into base 12 into 10. So 2 ones are, no, base is given, no, half into base into height. Area of a triangle. Yes. So if you know anyone knows the answer, please comment the answer in the comment box. We know isosceles. Now side we got side is equal to a to one side. Both sides are equal. That is 6 and 12 we got, means 10 and 10 we are getting. Both sides we are getting 10. Yes. If anyone knows the answer, please type the answer in the comment box. Question number 104. We got side of e square. So yes, very simple. Area of a triangle half into base into height. So if you divide this one you are getting into two equal parts. So 12 by 2 means you are getting a 6. One side you are getting 6. This is 6. This is a 10. Very simple. This value becomes 8. Why? Because in the Pythagorean triplet, what is Pythagorean? A square plus b square equals to c square. Order is 6 comma t. This becomes the Pythagorean triplet. Why? Because if you take the right angle triangle, if the triangle is divided into two equal parts, this way we are getting 6. We know already hypotenuse 6, adjacent is hypotenuse 6, adjacent is hypotenuse 10, adjacent we know value 6. We have to find out the opposite side. We know very well, hypotenuse square equals to opposite square plus adjacent square. Hypotenuse square equals minus adjacent square is equal to opposite square. 10 square minus 6 square equals to opposite square. 10 square means 100 minus 36 is equal to opposite square. 64 is equal to opposite square. Opposite equals to square goes right hand side, becomes root 64. So half into base. Base is how much? 6. And height is how much? 8. 2 ones are 2 3s are. So 8 3s are 24 we are getting. Half into base into height. Half into 12 no. Base is 12, yes. Half into base is 12 into height is 8. 2 1s are 2 6. So what we got the answer? X value you got 48. This is the final answer. Now see question number 106. Before doing 105, very simple 105 question also. The height of the two vertical horizontal like this vertical poles is 34 meters and 10 meters. The distance between their feet is 32 meters. The distance between their top is, we have to find out the distance between their tops. See, these are the height of two vertical poles. This one is 34, this one is 10. The distance between these two is 32. So if you draw this one, we are getting the two triangles we are getting. So if you do subtraction 34 minus 10, we are going to get the answer 24. We already having 32. So this is the base 32. So we are going to get the answer. So what you have to get the answer is hypotenuse. So hypotenuse we are going to get the answer 24. 32 whole square plus 24 whole square. 32 32s are 1096. Sorry, 1024 plus 576. We are getting the answer 1600. 1600 square root of 1600 value is 40. See, I am going to explain this problem detailedly. Now see, these are the two vertical poles. This is 32, this is 10, this is 34. So I am drawing a line from here to here. So subtract, if we subtract 34 minus 10, what you are getting the answer? 24. So if you know this one, this is totally 34. So we are getting the answer this one 24. We already know the base. Base is this one is as it is 34. We have to find out the vertical leg of the vertical leg of a triangle. So this distance, so x square equals to delta h whole square plus 32 whole square you have to do. So 24 whole square plus 32 whole square, 576 plus 1024, we are getting 1600. So x square, x value is root 1600 value is 40. So to make it simple, now see 66. So what we got the answer? The answer we got is final is 40. Now see question number 103. What is question number 103? Sorry, before doing 103, first we will complete 106. These are very simple problems that we can continue easy. See, 81 whole power of minus 1 into 3 power of minus 5 into 3 power of 9 into 64 whole power of 5 by 6 into cubic root of 6 whole power of 6. This one we have to convert first of all. Now see, 81 can be written as 3 power of 4 whole power of minus 1 into 3 power of minus 5 into 3 power of 9 into 64 can be written as 2 power of 6 whole power of 5 by 6 into cubic root of 6 whole power of 6. 4 into minus 1, 3 power of minus 4 into 3 power of minus 5 to 3 power of 9 into 2 power of 6 whole power of 5 by 6 into, so if you remove root, whole power of 3 by 6 whole power of 6 by 3. Now both will be get cancelled, these will be get cancelled, you are getting 2 power of 5 into, yes, 3 1 ja, 3 2 ja, 6 6 ja, 36 we are getting the answer. Now I have to find out the exact what is the answer. So I am getting a 6 power of 2, that means 2 power of 5 into 36 I am getting the answer. It's not that much easy to solve this problem. So if you know the answer, please comment the answer in the comment box. Type the answer in the comment box, anyone. So the answer will be 3 power of 18, 2 power of 5 into 3 power of 2. Two power of 5 will be there, 3 power of 2 will be there. Sorry, it is not root 3, no, okay. 3 power of 2, 2 power of 5 into 3 power of 2 we are getting the answer. But so if you know the answer, please comment the answer in the comment box. Yes, anyone. The answer we have to get the final answer 3 power of 18 into 2 power of 5 3 power of 2. So anyone knows, please comment, please do pin in the comment box. 81 can be written as 3 power of minus 4 into 3 power of 9, 64 2 power of 6, because 8 and 60, 3 power of 6 by 2 we are getting 3 square. 3 power of 18 we have to get the answer. How we are getting 3 power of 8? It's not 56. So the answer is 3 power of 18 into 2 power of 5, and we'll finish 3 more problems. Let's end this class by today itself, and remaining problems I'll explain tomorrow. We are having 3 problems right over here. This is the final ending class. So after this I am going to end the class. Now see question number. See the volume of the cuboid. We know volume of the cuboid formula is a cube. Sorry, length into breadth into height is given as 1296. So 1296 is a perfect cube root of which number? Length is 24 and its breadth and in the ratio of 3 and 2. Now see, 1296 is given, length is given 24, and as I said, we have to take 3x into 2x. 1296 is equal to 3 to the 6, 4, 144 x square. 144 ones are 144 nines are x square, you will get x value, you are getting 9. So then the breadth and x is equals to 9 means 9 3 is 27, 9 2 is 18. So finally we are going to get the answer number 3, that is 99 18. Now see question number 102. The area of a circular path is 15 centimeter and its outer radius is 30 centimeter. Then the width of the circular path we have to take in the form of pi value. Outer radius, so pi into r square minus small r square. Outer radius minus inner radius you have to find out. Pi value is given 3.14 as we know that. So radius we are going to get the answer as 20. So if you want, you can Google it, you can find the answer. Here I can write only one formula. Area of the circle is pi r square. Pi means 3.14 into outer radius 30. So we are going to get the answer 1256. After getting the answer, if you find out radius, you are going to get the answer 20. Now see last and final question, question number 103. If the length of the one diagonal of a rhombus whose area is 20 25 is 27, find the length of the second diagonal. First diagonal is given of the rhombus is 27. Now see, we know we are having very easy formula. Area of rhombus formula is half into diagonal 1 into diagonal 2. Area of rhombus is given 20 25 into 1 by 2 into diagonal 1 is 27 into d2. Take this one to right hand side, it becomes 20 25 into 2 by 27 is equal to diagonal 2. See 27 ones are 27. Yes, 27 75. So diagonal d2 value is 75. So we got the final answer called as 75. So if anyone knows the so this problem is completed. ఏడా నేను కంటిన్యూ చేసుకుంటా మన క్లాస్. Okay. So tomorrow we are going to continue our class. That's it for today. Tomorrow I am going to solve 1 or 2 papers and remaining subjects also I can show you. If you have any doubts regarding the previous question papers, I am going to, as I said now, I am having 6 to nearly 10 previous year question papers of TET exam. So I am going to upload all the videos. Please do subscribe to our channel. If anyone, those who are completed their B.Ed, those who are going to write the TET exam in the month of November, please inform your friends also and make them to share the video to them. So if you have any queries, please do comment in the comment box compulsory. So this is Indrajan signing off. Thank you everyone.